Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about methods of cooking. First, heat transference. There are three types of heat transference. One is conduction, number two is convection, number three is radiation. Next, methods of cooking. First one is blanching, number two is steaming, number three is boiling, number four is braising, number five is stewing, number six is poaching and boiling, number seven is boiling. First, blanching. It is a French word, means blank, means to within preliminary method of cooking, incomplete without shocking or refreshing. Hot water blanching, cold water blanching, oil blanching. Heat transference is conduction. Equipment used for blanching is stock pot, dipping basket, western splitter, steam jacket, kettle, deep fat fryer, saucepan. Uses of blanching is animal bones to remove the impurities, meat to close pore, retaining nutrients, French fries for bulk preparation, nuts, remove skin. Next, poaching. Most cooking method in which food is simmered into the liquid maintained at the temperature below boiling point. Temperature is 70 to 96 degrees centigrade. Heat transfer is conduction. Ratio of water to vinegar should be 10:1. Equipment used for the saute use: spoon, fish slicer, salmon kettle, castomi tray, sorla plate. Uses of poaching is chicken used to make poached chicken with a velouté sauce, cut off lean fish to make poached fish with velouté sauce, cut off oil fish to fry, use the fish, egg to make a poached egg, fruits to make the component. Next, boiling. Cooking method commonly is boiling. Water at 100 degrees centigrade. Simmering temperature is 85 to 96 degrees centigrade. Heat transfer is conduction. Equipment used for the boiling: bread pan, genosis, colander, boiling kettle. Uses of boiling is vegetable reduce cooking time to soften the fiber, meat to remove the salt from the prevented meat, pulses and cereals and egg. Steaming. Cooking food by applications of steam, suitable for delicate food. Heat transference is by convection and conduction. Temperature range with pressure 120 to 180 degrees centigrade, without pressure 103 to 105 degrees centigrade, with water steam 105 to 120 degrees centigrade, dry steam 100 to 105 degrees centigrade. Equipment: pressure cooker, atmospheric steamer, high compression steamer, convection steamer, tray, dim sum basket. Uses of steaming is vegetable used for preparing scallop roasting. Heat transfers conduction, convection and radiation. Equipment: frying pan, saucepan, oven. Braising and its uses: saddle of lamb, lamb shank, fennel. Next, boiling. Food cooked in a closed container and is based with whole butter. Butter will soften the protein and meat will be cooked soft and tender. Boiling is a combination of stewing meat cooked on its own natural juice, steaming cooked in closed container, roasting meat browned under radiant heat. Heat transference, conduction, convection and radiation. Internal temperature should be 80 to 90 degrees centigrade and in oven 180 degrees centigrade. Equipment: frying pan, saucepan, oven. Uses of boiling is a fillet of beef, duck and confit chicken. Next, roasting. Dry method of cooking where the hot air cover the food, cooking it evenly on all sides. Split roasting, meat marinated cooked in open flame. Tandoor, a cylindrical clay oven. Barbecue, open fire roasting, meat is cooked over radiant heat. Rotisserie, meat stewed in metal rod that roast in front of the heat produced by electric flame or by gas burner. After meat is waiting for the guest out, thereby the resulting in dry and chewing meat. Roasting depend upon size of joint, even cut of meat, type of oven, quality and grinding of the meat. Heat transference, conduction, convection and radiation. Internal temperatures of meat should be 60 to 80 degrees centigrade. Equip roasting tray, bain-marie, carved board, carving knife and fork, micro oven, thermometer probe. Dishes: rack of lamb, roast chicken, lamb leg. Next, grilling. Cooking which involves heat to surface of food either from the above, below or side. Grills are served with sauce and accompaniment. Surface temperature of food should be 180 degrees centigrade to 200 degrees centigrade. Meat used should be well marbled. Broiling food cooked under radiant heat. Granulating beans to form a crust on the surface of boiled food by baking. Heat transference, radiant heat. Equipment: bar grill, charcoal grill, rigid plate, hot plate, contact grill, salamander. Grilled dishes is lamb chops, fish, shellfish, fillet of beef. Next, sautéing. Food cooked in a small amount of the oil or fat in pan at a relatively high heat. Derived from French word sauter, means to jump. Food is the stir food and mixed with the appropriate sauce. Heat transference, conduction. Equipment: sautéed wok. Sautéing uses potato served as an accompaniment, mushroom served as an accompaniment, strips of tenderloin under used in a la carte like a beef stroganoff. Next, frying. Cooking food in oil or fat. Food when immersed in oil seals the surface of the food, preserving all moisture. When on the heat get converted into the steam, cooks the food. Heat transference, conduction. Smoke point stage, when the oil being to smoke. Flash point stage, above smoke point any may catch fire. Equipment: deep fat fryer, katai, pressure frying, splendor, jar, fish slice. Frying uses: fish finger, shellfish used for a stir fry in a Chinese preparation, vegetables as a pakodas, chicken as a kiwi. Next, baking. Cooking by dry heat, typically in oven. Oven is preheated before the baking. Goods or plates inside. Product need to cool on wire rack. Heat transference, conduction and convection. Some commodities require high temperature during the initial cooking and then the temperature is lowered is called oven spring. Equipment: baking tray, baking mold, cutter, dough mixer, oven. Baking is used: bread rolls 180 to 200 degrees centigrade, sponges 200 degrees centigrade, turn oven 180 degrees centigrade, quiches 160 degrees centigrade. Next, microwave cooking. Cooking is the which food is exposed to the electromagnetic radiation. Wave penetrate food molecular, disturbance water content, friction heat cooking. Heat transference is radiation. Three main functions is cooking, defrosting, reheating. Equipment: microwave oven, glass bowl, plastic container. Microwave oven and it used to cook potato in jacket, to defrost tawa minced beef, to reheated food. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.